Inan Makina, the pride of Turkish engineering. Opening to the world, founded in 1972 by Mehmet Tuşuoğlu. In a small workshop, Inan Makina has become a pioneer in its industry and a source of pride for Turkey through its belief, determination, consistent production, and innovative attachments. Aiming to grow the production that began with lathe and machining works in its early years, the founder achieved a major milestone in the 1980s by realizing the first domestic production of hydraulic breaker spare parts in Turkey. With its dealer network and strong service infrastructure, the company quickly became a leading solution partner in the sector, continuing its growth without limits in investment. Inan Makina moved to the Çerkezköy Sanayi Bölgesi
in 2018 and established a modern production facility capable of generating its own energy on an area of 83,000 square meters. Operating with 67,000 square meters of closed production space and an experienced engineering team, the company proudly runs an environmentally friendly factory in Çerkezköy and continues to add value to Turkish industry and its sector. Starting production in 2000 under Turkey's first domestic and national breaker brand, MTB, the company now exports to 70 countries across 7 continents. Offering a wide product range of more than 70 breaker models, from 90 kilograms to 7,200 kilograms, Inan Makina develops solutions suitable for different working conditions. While continuously expanding its investments in Çerkezköy, the company contributes to both the local and national economy and supports social development through educational initiatives and community activities. In addition to its central factory in Çerkezköy, Inan Makina provides fast and high-quality service through domestic service points located in Istanbul, Ekateli and Tuzla, Ankara, Ostim, Antalya Organized Industrial Zone, and Burdur Organized Industrial Zone, as well as international centers in Germany and Bulgaria. At its R&D center supported by the Republic of Turkey Ministry of Industry and Technology, Inan Makina develops hydraulic breakers, demolition shears, mechanical crushers, augers, compactors, and customized attachments designed for heavy-duty conditions. By using continuously evolving technologies and producing customer-specific solutions, the company contributes to global sectoral innovation. With its strong market position under the MTB brand, Inan Makina continues its R&D activities through numerous design registrations, utility models, patent applications, and projects supported by TÜBİTAK. Among its achievements is the production of the 5-ton and 7-ton MTB 505 and 705 models, ranked among the world's largest breaker attachments. The company also develops customized breakers and attachments according to customer needs and offers tunnel, marble, and underwater series to provide optimal solutions for different ground conditions and applications. Inan Makina uses advanced technology systems at every stage of production. CNC machining centers, robotic welding lines, metallography laboratories, and heat treatment facilities ensure that each product is meticulously tested and meets the highest quality standards. MTB attachments produced in integrated facilities pass strict quality controls before being delivered safely to customers worldwide. For Inan Makina, quality is not only a production criterion, but an integral part of its corporate identity. The company stores approximately 25,000 tons of raw material annually and processes the same amount of steel each year. With its strong production capacity and continuous R&D investments, Inan Makina responds promptly to customer demands and continues to manufacture hydraulic breakers and attachments at international standards. Staying true to its founding philosophy, the company transforms steel into trust and combines trust with power to reach global standards. A dream that began in 1972. What started as a small workshop in Istanbul grew into a global industrial success. After pioneering spare parts production for hydraulic breakers in the 1980s, Inan Makina advanced its capabilities by developing its own hydraulic breaker series in 2000, becoming one of the sector's leading and most reliable brands. A rising star in Çerkezköy. Since relocating in 2018, the company has been operating an environmentally friendly smart factory on an 83,000 square meter campus with 67,000 square meters of indoor space, nearly 500 employees, and a continuously growing engineering infrastructure. Power reaching the world with MTB, exporting to 7 continents in 70 countries. MTB represents the strength of Turkish industry worldwide. With more than 70 models ranging from 90 kilograms to 7,200 kilograms in specialized tunnel, marble, and underwater series, the brand delivers superior performance, durability, and efficiency even under the most challenging conditions. Building the future through R&D and innovation. With industrial design registrations, TÜBİTAK-supported projects, and international patents, Inan Makina continues to lead technological development. Each hydraulic breaker, demolition shear, and mechanical crusher is engineered for maximum strength, durability, and precision to perform reliably in the most demanding projects. Strong service network everywhere. With service points across Turkey and international centers in Germany and Bulgaria, the company provides fast, reliable, and high-quality after-sales service to its customers. Commitment to steel, dedication to quality, advanced manufacturing technologies, strict quality control processes, and the annual processing of 25,000 tons of steel enable the company to respond quickly and effectively to customer needs. Over 50 years of experience, unshakable engineering, built on more than half a century of experience from the Tuşuoğlu family and carried forward today by the second generation, Inan Makina continues its journey with a focus on occupational safety, social responsibility, and sustainable production. By prioritizing the satisfaction and expectations of its employees, suppliers, and customers, Inan Makina has made MTB one of the most preferred brands in the global market. Drawing strength from its roots and combining tradition with innovation and vision, the company continues to grow its legacy. Inan Makina, the name of power, quality, and sustainable success. Every breaker carries the signature of half a century of experience in Turkish engineering. Inan Makina, the gateway of Turkish engineering to the world in the digital age.